Coulomb's law in electrostatics. The force of the electrostatic force of interaction. The electrostatic force of interaction between any two point charges. The electrostatic force of interaction between any 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of their charges is directly proportional to the product of the charges is directly proportional to the product of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of distance between the 2 point charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the 2 point charges or between them. That means the electrostatic force of interaction between any 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Now we can draw 2 point charges which are situated at the point B, A and B. 2 point charges are Q1 and Q2 separated by a distance R. Here R is the distance between the 2 point charges. We can denote the distance R between the 2 point charges Q1 and Q2. Q2. In this case, the point charge Q1 experiences electrostatic force of repulsion F12 due to the other charge Q2. And we can assume that these 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 are like charges. That means they will have the same sign and they will experience electrostatic force of repulsion. F21 is also the force experienced by Q2 due to Q1, and here 2 point charges are like charges. That means Q1 dot Q2 will be greater than 0. And we can denote the force F12, that is the electrostatic force of repulsion experienced by the first point charge Q1 it can be denoted by F12 equal Fe, and similarly force experienced by the other charge Q2 due to Q1 is F21, which is also equal to Fe, where Fe is the electrostatic force. That means the 2 point charges experiences equal and opposite charges, opposite electrostatic forces. Let Fe be the electrostatic force. Fe be the electrostatic force of interaction. Fe be the electrostatic force of interaction, not electrostatics. It should be electrostatic force of interaction acting between the 2 point charges Q1 and Q2. Acting between the 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 separated by a distance R. Now Fe proportional Q1 dot Q2, the electrostatic force of interaction between the 2 point charges Fe proportional Q1 Q2 and Fe proportional 1 by R square. Therefore Fe proportional Q1 Q2 divided by R square. That is Coulomb's law. Fe proportional Q1 Q2 by R square. So this relation is known as Coulomb's law. Actually, the last two relations are known as Coulomb's law. Fe proportional Q1 Q2 and Fe proportional 1 by R square. Therefore, Fe equal a constant k, capital K and small k, Q1 Q2 by R square. Fe equals small k, Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This is the expression of electrostatic force of interaction between the 2 point charges. Electrostatic force, not electrostatics force, electrostatic force acting between 2 point charges, Q1 and Q2, where K is the electrostatic force constant. Electrostatic force constant. K is the electrostatic force constant. K is the electrostatic force constant. It should be electrostatic. Additional information in connection with Coulomb's law. If the 2 point charges Q1 and Q2, 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 are like charges, that is Q1 dot Q2 greater than 0, where F12 equal F21 equal Fe, where F12 equal F21 equal Fe, where F12 is the electrostatic, repulsive force. F12 is the electrostatic repulsive force experienced by Q1 due to other point charge Q2, and F21 is the electrostatic repulsive force. F21 is the electrostatic repulsive force. F21 is the electrostatic repulsive force experienced by the point charge Q2 due to the other point charge Q1. F21 is the electrostatic repulsive force experienced by Q2 due to Q1. Here if Q1 dot Q2 greater than 0, finally, according to Coulomb's law, Fe proportional Q1 Q2 and Fe proportional 1 by R square. These two relations are known as Coulomb's law, Fe proportional Q1 Q2 and Fe proportional 1 by R square.